Hello everyone, in front of me is the MOTOROLA Moto G06 Power, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then find and select security and privacy, and now mark device unlock. Here click on fingerprint to add it, and as you can see, if you do not have any screen lock yet, you will have to create it. You can choose between pattern, pin code and password. I'll go with pattern, so let's draw it. Tap on next, re-enter just to confirm. Now manage notification content, and it's time to set up your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located on your power button, so just keep tapping till it's fully added. You will see the progress on the screen, so just keep tapping. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor. And that's it. You can either add another or mark done. From now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only, as you can see, just by tapping. Obviously, it's possible to unlock this device with this pattern that you set, or pin code or password, whatever you chose. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.